What's up, John Daveeezy? We back with another video. As y'all see by the thumbnail, I read to Katie Porter. We did one Katie Porter, I think about 2 weeks ago, and y'all been recommending her lately. Cause I know I'll be right to Jasmine Crockett, and y'all say Katie Porter is another one that's straightforward with her points. Don't be playing around. She doing what she got to do to stand on business. So Katie Porter, let's get right into it. Let's go.
Okay, the gentlelady from California, Ms. Porter, is now recognized.
Ms. Swear, in 2019, you testified on Representative Cicilline's bill, the assault weapons ban, before Congress. At the 2019 hearing, Representative Jim Jordan asked you if law-abiding people will be less safe to protect themselves if that bill was passed. Do you remember your response?
I have a general idea of what I would have said under that circumstance, but no, I don't remember my specific words.
You said, and I quote, "I think worse than that, sir, you will see millions of otherwise law-abiding citizens become felons overnight."
Yes.
For nothing more than having scary-looking features on firearms.
It's
I was
true.
quite surprised by your answer. You read the bill before you came to Congress to testify against it, yes?
If we are referring to the ban on assault weapons?
Correct.
Yes.
So you knew that the bill would allow any gun owner to maintain possession of any semi-automatic assault weapon that was lawfully possessed before the bill became law.
No, so that is the case under that bill. The problem is,
Reclaiming
anytime
my
that is
time.
transferred to anybody
Reclaiming
else,
my time,
that now
Madam
becomes
Chair,
an
would
issue.
you please instruct the witness that the time belongs to me?
If you don't want to hear an answer to my question, I'm not sure
Jen-
why it's being asked.
The gentlelady has reclaimed her time.
So you knew that the bill, you said yes in response to my question, that you knew the bill would allow the gun owner to maintain possession of any semi-automatic assault weapon that was lawfully possessed before the bill becomes law. Ms. Swear, I respect that we have different opinions on Representative Cicilline's assault weapons law, but we cannot have different facts. We have a duty to debate the merits of proposal. You falsely testified under oath.
Would you
that
like
that
the
bill,
explanation of
no,
why
I will
I said
not. I
that?
have not yielded, Ms. Swear.
Suspend.
Madam Chair, if she's going to ask questions, shouldn't she let the witness have time to
The
answer?
gentleman is not recognized.
You falsely testified under
Madam
oath.
Chair,
I
point
did
of
not.
order, point of order.
What is the gentleman's point?
I've been
of order?
accused of falsely testifying
She-
under oath,
the-
and I would like to
the-
address it.
The gentlewoman has accused her of perjury. Is she going to hold to that, or are you going to allow the witness to respond to that accusation of criminal conduct?
You have not come forward with a significant point of order. Ms. Porter will continue.
I asked you if that bill was correct, if the bill would allow any gun owner to maintain possession, and you said yes. Yet you testified that the bill would allow people to become felons overnight. Earlier today, you testified that you hoped that this was the last time you testified before Congress. For the sake of our nation and the integrity of this Congress,
I said
do
Congress
too.
after a mass shooting, trying to figure out how to solve a problem that we are all heavily invested in solving.
Ms. Swear,
That is
I have not
insulting.
Chair, point of order,
asked a
point of order.
question.
How dare you?
Reclaiming my time. How dare you misstate the law?
How dare you
at
ask questions that you
legislation.
do not even want an answer to?
Ms. Swear, I'm moving on. I'm a lifelong consumer protection advocate. From 2015 to 2020, there were at least 2,070 unintentional shootings by children. 765 of those children died. A consumer product that causes this much harm to the public would normally be subject to a recall. But federal law prohibits the Consumer Product Safety Commission, the agency responsible for protecting the public from dangerous products, from regulating guns. This is absurd. After one child died using a Peloton treadmill last year, the Consumer Product Safety Commission intervened and recalled the product. But when hundreds of children die using guns, there is no federal response. There is no federal safety standard for guns. Even though 40,000 Americans hurt or kill themselves or other people in hundreds of accidents every year. Instead of regulating guns like any other consumer product, federal law protects gun manufacturers. A teenager can watch a video online and learn how to modify a rifle to make it more deadly. And the gun industry avoids any liability if that teenager uses that modified rifle to fire repeatedly and rapidly at innocent people, even though their products could be designed to prevent unsafe modifications. I want to give an example. In 2001, a 13-year-old boy named Billy accidentally shot his father's handgun and killed his friend Josh. Billy mistakenly thought the gun was unloaded because he had removed the gun's magazine. Josh's family sued the gun manufacturer for failing to warn Billy and other consumers that their product could be fired without a magazine. It's a simple case. It should have been decided by a jury, as is provided under the Constitution. Instead, because of the gun industry's immunity, the gun manufacturer was able to dismiss the case without a trial. If a pharmaceutical company failed to warn customers about the known risks of one of their drugs, they could face thousands of lawsuits. But we allow the gun industry to sell weapons without taking any precautions to protect children and families from fatal accidents. Mr. Suplina, do you think the gun industry would do more to protect children if Congress ended their immunity?
Absolutely.
Would ending the gun industry's immunity put gun manufacturers out of business?
No, it would not.
In the 1990s, lawsuits forced Big Tobacco to pay for the harm they caused by marketing cigarettes. Just last year, Big Pharma agreed to pay $26 billion for communities devastated by opioids.
Madam Chair,
Victims
time's
of gun
expired.
violence also deserve their day in court. They deserve justice. I yield back.
The gentlelady's time is expired.
Madam Chair, I have a point of parliamentary inquiry.
Gentlelady's time
Madam
is
Chair,
expired.
Madam Chair, I have
Gentle-
point of order. Madam Chair, point of order. Again, Ms. Porter accused our witness of perjury. That's a very serious accusation. Accused her of lying before
Madam Chair,
Congress.
the gentleman has not stated a proper
Yeah,
point
I'm
of order.
stating
That is not a
no,
proper
the
point of order.
The point of order is we just had a member
Gentleman,
of
Not a proper
Congress
point of order,
accuse
Madam
a
Chair.
witness of perjury and
Cloud.
didn't give
Madam
that
Chair, the
witness
gentleman
time
is
to
not
respond.
stating a
And
proper
And it's,
point
you
of
know,
order.
the usual
The
suspect.
gentlelady
Ms.
will
Porter
suspend.
accomplished her
The
goal of
gentlelady
getting her
will
soundbite
suspend. The
on
gentleman from
MSNBC,
Texas, Mr.
but we're here
Cloud,
to debate a
is
serious issue.
recognized. Mr. Cloud, you are now recognized.
God. It's like these MFs love talking over each other. Jeez, one person at a time, please. But I'm trying to figure out what's going on. But as far as the gun stuff, like that, the gun stuff is serious, man. I don't know what they're gonna do about it. It's legal down south, so it's like the gun laws and all that is difficult, man. It's just a lot of shootings, unnecessary school shootings, and all that stuff. I don't know, man. I don't know what they're gonna do about it, but it's very interesting, man. Katie Porter, she be standing on business. Don't interrupt me while I'm talking. Like, what's up with that? Like, why you interrupt me while I'm talking? You know what I'm saying? But she stands on business just like Miss Jasmine stand on business, man. And I love it. I love when people stand on business. You know what I'm saying? Any more Katie Porter reactions y'all want me to react to? Let me know. Put the link in the of a video of hers in the comment section, y'all. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all hit subscribe. We're on our way to 1 million subscribers. I ain't gonna put no limit on my subscribers. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload, y'all. I got more videos to do. I love y'all. Peace and love, baby. And we out.